Before you start sniffing out your dream home, get pre-approved first. A mortgage pre-approval tells you how much home you can afford, estimates your monthly payment, and helps determine which loan programs fit your financial goals. It also strengthens your offer by showing sellers you're a qualified buyer who's ready to move forward. During the pre-approval process, your lender will review your income, credit, assets, and monthly debts. They'll explain your financing options and answer any questions you have. Whether you're buying your first home, moving into your next one, purchasing an investment property, or refinancing, getting pre-approved helps you avoid surprises and move quickly when the right home becomes available. Once your financing is in place, Hatcher Team Homes can focus on finding the perfect home for you. Click below to connect with one of our trusted local lenders and get started.